Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to use castor oil for stronger and thicker eyelashes that won't break and super long and quick time. This is going to be the most simple how-to I'm going to show you in this channel, I think. Obviously you need castor oil. This has to be 100% pure. Personally, I like to use a Q-tip, but you can also use a soft bristle eyelash brush if you prefer. Put a few drops of the castor oil on the applicator. Use the applicator to apply directly on your lashes. Begin applying on the top of your lashes. Continue brushing the entire lashes with the applicator. Brush for about 5 minutes. You can do it less. If you really want to see results, use it twice a day, in the morning and at night. Castor oil contains natural properties that promote hair growth and healthy skin. It's very safe on the eyes and no side effects by using this natural ingredient. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this content. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Pura Vida!